Shmai, this is a video showing those who are on a leisurely course what resources are available for you online. This is the learnwelsh.cymru website. You would have registered for your course on this website. First step is to log in using the details that you used to register for your course. I would recommend saving your login details to make sure you can log in quickly every time. Once you've logged in, you'll be able to see a blue My Learning option at the top of the page. After you've clicked on that, you'll be able to see what courses you are registered on. The one I'm going to show you is the virtual classroom, so that's the entry course part 1, it's the leisurely course. I'm going to click launch. On the left hand side, you'll be able to see how the course looks from week to week. For example, week 1, you'll be able to see that there's the course introduction and commencement of unit 1. You'll be able to see by week 2 that you have an online self-study option. This is predominantly a catch-up unit, so every 2 weeks, every time you finish a unit, you will get an online catch-up unit. You're more than welcome to use this to revise as well as to catch up. So if I click on that, I can click start and then revise unit 1. If you click dechrau, start course, once it's opened, you'll be able to see the various activities that are available for you to revise for unit 1. So for example, vocabulary,
Cymraeg, Welsh, Cymraeg.
So that's for vocabulary. If you look on the left hand side, vocabulary geirfa. You are able to skip ahead for these sections from one section to another. You can scroll down instead of scrolling on the left hand side, you can scroll between sections by just pointing the arrows down. Da iawn, diolch. Very good, thanks. You click on the corresponding answers. There's many multiple choice questions. At the very end of each revision unit, you have a small test. You click dechrau, start to begin the quiz. So for example, question 1, first question. Introduce yourselves as Mari. Type your answer. So typiwch yma, click there where it says type here. Mari, dwi. Put a full stop in there just in case. Once you've completed the quiz, you'll have a score out of 100. As you can see, I had 80% because I forgot to put full stops with capital letters in. You can take the quiz again by clicking Cymryd, take again. If I wish to go back to the navigation, I'll click Gadael Cwrs, exit course. And I'll go back to here. So as I said, you'll get one of these revision units every 2 lessons. It's at the end of each unit. You also have more resources by going to Learning and Digital Resources. You scroll down to Mynediad and unit 1, click Continue. Cliciwch De, South. Ydych chi'n gallu gweld, you can see all the resources available for you from unit 1, unit 1. So for example, dwi'n mynd I glicio yr wyddor. If you want to go back to see what else is available, you click D again. There are also external links. So if you want to use Memrise or Quizlet, you can click those as well. Please note you will need to be signed in to be able to use these resources. Learn Welsh Swansea Bay also has a YouTube channel which you can explore. So Learn Cymraeg A 605151. You can subscribe by clicking the subscribe button. Then once you're on there, you can view playlists. So we have preparation videos. If you have missed a class or if you'd like to prepare for a session thoroughly, you can view the full playlists and scroll to whichever unit you would like to see. You can do the same with our revision videos by clicking View Full Playlist. These only go up to unit 14. So there we have it, between the dysgwyr.cymru website and our YouTube channel. I'm sure you have plenty of things to keep you busy in between your lessons. Gobeithio bod chi'n joio. I hope you're enjoying your course. Hwyl!